Hi, and welcome to ChristianPublishingTips.com. I'm Allison Storm, the creator of this website. I'm excited to announce the launch of a new free program we're calling the Christian Author Bootcamp, a 10-week book promotion blitz. Now, over the next 10 weeks, I'll be posting short videos like this one with simple assignments to help you get moving and get active with your book publicity. Now, I want to tell you some statistics that you may take as bad news, but Bowker, the global leader in book information, says in 2009 there were 288,355 new titles and editions that were traditionally published. Now, that doesn't even count those books that were self-published or used print-on-demand methods. That was more than 750,000 titles. Now that means competition is fierce, but there is some good news that I want to share with you. There are more free and low-cost tools available to authors like you now than ever before. And we've got some great ones we want to share with you over the next 10 weeks. Now, my background is in publicity and media. I also work closely with Christian authors through the Christian publishing house Ambassador International. And we're going to be showing you some of the tricks and tools that we use with Ambassador authors to help make their book projects even more successful. So make sure you come back here every Monday starting June 21st. Write it down on your calendar so you'll be able to get your next assignment. Now, by the end of this 10-week Christian Author Bootcamp, you'll have your publicity plan whipped into shape. I promise you that. Now, if you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments section of this blog post. You can also comment and talk to us on Twitter. We're at Christian Pub Tip. So it's twitter.com/ChristianPubTip. And I'll see you back here on Monday the 21st.